Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable screen mirroring or screen recording on your iPhone. Before we start, make sure your iPhone is running on iOS 14, otherwise it won't work. For example, I'm using the latest version of iOS. If you're not on the latest version, go to your settings and open the control center. There, you'll need to add the screen recording or screen mirroring option. Since I have the latest version, it's a bit different for me. So what do you need to do? Just swipe down from the top right corner and press and hold. Once you press and hold, just add a control. Now look for screen recording. Here it is, screen recording. Now just tap on this, then tap anywhere else, and there you go. With the microphone enabled, you can record both internally and externally. Have a great day. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I hope this video is really helpful to you.